Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Ever Candy Classic Chapstick. I have it in the original moisturizer one, and the online description of it says, Chapstick Moisturizer is your best friend for soft, supple, and silky lips. It softens and protects lips with 10 plus moisturizers and glides on smooth. It's a 2-in-1 lip care that softens and protects lips every day with 11 moisturizing ingredients. It has broad spectrum SPF 15 protection, and hydrating formula contains aloe and vitamin E. That is really all of the information that you get online. Right, you can get 3 different ones in the moisturizing line. You can get it in cool mint flavor, green apple, and then this is just the original one, which I don't really know what kind of scent it has, or like fragrance. Let me see. I don't know. Yeah, I did a video before this for Daddy Fabrics offer, and that's kind of all I smell right now, to be honest. But anyway, so this is probably the most classic chapstick out there on the market. I mean, I like it. It's nice. It's handy to have. It's a skin protected, 8-hour moisture. It doesn't get any more simple than chapstick. It has like a yellow tint to it. It has the bottom, which is like a little, you would call it a little wheel that you just twist up and down to get the product in and out. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of this product. This is always my go-to. I just always have this. Still trying to smell it. I can give you a scent. It's kind of like unscented. It's got a little bit of a scent. It's hard to explain the scent though. But anyways, so I was saying, this is my go-to. I always have it in my purse just for like emergencies. I know there are some people that like use it religiously and have like a car chapstick, a purse chapstick, a work chapstick, a home chapstick, which is insane. And you know what though? I want to say, I think the reason is because, to be honest here, it dries my lips out. It's nice when my lips are chapped, like in the winter, or if I have a cold or something and my lips get chapped to where like it's just really bad and they like hurt. This is really great. That's pretty much when I use it, because using it on a daily basis actually dries my lips out more than when I don't use it. And I think that's why people use it so much, is because once you start using it, it dries your lips out, so then you have to have more. And you have to put more on, so you're constantly putting it on throughout the day because it dries your lips out more. So that's like a thing with me. If I use it like along my waterline of my lip especially, it becomes really, really dry. So I personally don't try not to use this every day. I only use it when I really need to, like I really feel like my lips are just extremely dehydrated, or like if I'm sick or something like that. Or I do use it more regularly in the winter because I live up north, so the winters are always harder on your lips or your skin or anything like that. So I do use it more often in the winter than I do like in the summer. But I don't know, I think it's good to have on hand if you need it. But I don't personally like using it regularly, because then it's gonna eat up all of my money, because I'm going to be using it every single day, several times a day, which is annoying. So it's pretty small, but it's like a regular chapstick size, but it lasts a really long time. At least for me. I can't say how long it would last for someone who uses chapstick all day, or even like once a day, because I don't use it once a day. And I've had this for, let me see, maybe like 6 or 7 months, and it's still, so if you can see there where the product ends, and so let me see how much product I still have left. Hopefully this doesn't like break it and I can put it back down. Sometimes I'm afraid to like spin the wheel all the way up, because I don't want to break it and then not be able to get it back to go down again. It's still going. So you get quite a bit of product. This would last quite some time. It's still going. Okay, I'm going to stop because I really don't want to break it. It's probably about the size, because honestly you get the product from like the top of the little spoke, the little wheel here, all the way up to the tippy top of the product, which is really, really nice. I'm scared to like take it all the way up because it's happened before where I've broken it and then I have to like actually push it down and then it breaks the chapstick and it's just really kind of annoying. So after just a few months I've used it. As you can see, I don't know, it's kind of hard to see. There you go. You can kind of see it there. So it lasts a long time and it's just like the your trusty chapstick. I like the moisture one. They have quite a few in there. I really like the cherry flavor one as well. I think that's not a moisturizer one. I think that's part of the classic line of the Chapstick brand. That one is a really good flavor though. I think like when I think back to my childhood, because that's what chapstick always makes me think of, is my childhood, because I had an aunt who always used it like religiously. She's actually one of those people who used it every single day, constantly putting it on all day, and it's probably because you just feel the need to, because once you put it on, once it dries, your lips feel dry, so you have to put more on. So anyways, so I really like the cherry one as well, mainly because of the fragrance and the taste. I just really like it. So yeah, this is a pretty small tube, and you can also go to the Chapstick website. It's literally chapstick.com for more info or to see any other ones that they have. This specific one has SPF 12 in it, by the way. So yeah, so overall this is a great chapstick option, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video.